Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, the cooling fan fuses, where you can expect to find them. You may have up to 3 of them. One of them is extremely hidden. We will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram here. First you need to go ahead and open the hood. Under the hood, guys, on the driver's side, you see where your car battery is located. Right in front of it you have that cover. You have 2 notches. Press them, you can open that cover, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Guys, for the cooling fan we need to check up to 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different place and check one more hidden fuse. You may have all of them or just some, depending on the year, model and engine. Here the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 1. Right here. The second fuse that you need to check for a cooling fan is fuse number 3. We don't have that one specifically, but it will be right here if you have it. Next, open the hood again, guys. Now come to the car battery. On the car battery, on that positive battery terminal, if you look close, you may have fuses like this one. Some models may have a double fuse. Some of them will have individual fuses like this one. Most of them will be that way. Now here you need to find the fuse that says 100 amps. In our case it's that one here. That's the one, guys, for the cooling fan as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.